Hello, this is Perry with Paper Crafting Threads,
And Ellery from White Box Studios.
and we're going to show you how to make a coin clasp gift card holder using the envelope punch board. So you're going to start out with a piece of DSP that's cut to 6 inches by 6 inches. Slide the sheet of DSP into the envelope punch board at the 2 5/8 mark. Punch and score. Rotate 90 degrees. Realign the score line with the arrow. Punch and score. And repeat 2 more times. Now take the piece over to the trimmer and fold in the small flap and line it up at the 1 1/4 inch mark. Open the flap and score. And repeat on the other small flap. Fold the large flaps one over the other. Line up your points on the track of your trimmer. And using the scoring blade, you're going to score just where the flaps overlap each other. And then fold that flap in. Fold all flaps in. And set aside the holder. Take a 3/4 inch circle punch and punch out 2 circles. We're using cherry cobbler. Now we're going to poke holes into the circles using a piercing tool. And then we're going to place the circles onto our holder in the positions that we want them to be. And we're going to use a pen to mark the centers of each one. So the top circle is going to be approximately in the middle of that top flap, and the bottom circle will be on just shy of the fold mark. And then open up your holder, and using your piercing tool and mat, poke holes in those 2 spots that you already marked. Then set aside your piercing mat and your piercing tool and take 2 brads. We're using the Candy Dot brad bases, and assemble the button closure. And insert into the holes on the holder. When you open the prongs, make sure the prongs are running parallel to the score marks. This will make sure that your little tiny points will close easily and not get hung up on the score lines. Okay, using your favorite adhesive, we're going to be using Snail. We're going to close each one of the little tiny flaps once we put some adhesive on each one. And you might need to put just a little bit extra on the ones that have the brad. But once the piece is done, they should hold just fine. Okay, now fold over your big flap and check to see where your flap that you're going to fold over closes on it, and put adhesive in the appropriate spot so that you're not having adhesive on the inside of your holder. Then fold up, adhere your bottom piece, doing the same thing. Check to see. It's probably going to be on the edges where you're going to put your adhesive. Okay, we're almost done. We're going to grab some white baker's twine, or I'm sorry, cherry cobbler baker's twine, and we're going to do up our closure. Of course, you'd put whatever it is you're going to put in there, whether it's a gift card or money, into the holder first. And then go around the bottom one a couple of times to anchor it, and then do a figure 8 to complete it. And then leave a little tail on the top so the recipient can see where to open it. So our little holder is complete. We're just going to decorate the front by putting on the bows that we made in one of our other videos. You're just going to add a glue dot to the back of that bow. And we have a tag on there hanging by baker's thread. And there you have it, a cute little gift card holder made with the envelope punch board. Thanks for joining us.
Bye.